Okay guys, so today we're gonna pack for 5 programs in one skating event. 5 different outfits. So let's get started. It's a local event, so we're not gonna pack any carry-on type things. It's a driving event, but I still want to carry as little as possible. Skates will be in the skate bag, and that'll be probably on my back. I'll probably carry 2 more things in my arms here. So let's start with the backpack, but you can get a bigger one or this one we use today. This is key. Gallon size zipper bags, storage bags. I'll show you why. Okay, so let's start off with choreographic artistry. Okay, obviously I'm talking from a guy's standpoint, but maybe you can use some of this information and in your own packing if you're a female and you have dresses, for example. Okay, so I've got this top here. This is the choreographic artistry showcase event. It's supposed to be one color, which it is black with my black pants and black scarf. And you can have bling, this is a little bit of bling. It's supposed to flow quite a bit. It's the top. It's a one piece with the scarf attached to it. It looks ready to go. It's not the type of material that's going to wrinkle very easily. So I'm just gonna fold it once, twice this way, and maybe a third time. Kind of put in a little bit of roll. And here is the Ziploc bag. I'm gonna loosely put it in here. And this really, when it comes out, it's gonna be ready to wear. But I'll show you different things you can do if you need to unwrinkle some wrinkles. So let's start with that. Let's put that in the bottom. Now, the pants. The pants will be very easy. Because I'm not traveling a long distance here just by car, I'm not gonna put this in a Ziploc bag, but you can. So I've got a pair of pants. I'm gonna use this pair for that program and another program too, right? Basically, all of my programs, I think, except for Elvis. This is like I would call this kind of like a Latin or ballroom pair of pants that I use for skating. It's stretchy. So basically, I'm gonna fold it once, twice, and then just kind of roll the rest of the way here. And maybe I can avoid a significant amount of wrinkles if I just keep it like this. It's worked in the past. So I'm not gonna fold it another time because that's going to probably increase the risk of wrinkles. So I've got the pants in there. I'm gonna do a backup pair of pants here too. Because you never know as a guy, and some ladies might wear pants too, so this is not specific to you guys. But what the crotch area is? I do a lot of like crouch positions like this. The crotch could potentially, over time, the threading could wear, and you could have a hole. You create a hole in your crotch, which would be a disaster, right? So I want to have a second pair of pants, same style basically. This one also does not easily wrinkle. Okay, so I've taken care of the pants. So that's one program. The second program is very similar. It's Ghost, the musical. This is supposed to be kind of ghost-like. It's the same top. It's the exact same top, except this time I have a scarf that is white. Again, for 2 things: for flow and to make it look kind of ghost-like, I guess. Let's see. Let's take. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna fold it once this way, once that way, and maybe another time that way. Or actually we can roll from here. Do this like gentle roll, there it is. And this will be ready to go out of the bag and onto my body, onto the ice. So that is 2 outfits, the same pair of pants. So that is called the emotional category and showcase. The music's from Ghost and Musical, emotional. So we've got 2 outfits in there and the pants that go with it. Okay, let's see. Next we have disco. The song is disco, Last Dance, but the actual event is the free dance, the solo free skate, free dance, the solo free dance, sorry, I spoke there. So, once again, minimal folds, and then roll when I can to minimize the wrinkles. This will not wrinkle very easily either. I might go ahead and focus and put that here. So, the pants are the same. The top. Okay, so that's the shirt. Then we have the disco top sequence here. I'm just gonna fold that once, twice. And this is where I'm using my bag probably. I could actually probably fit that in my backpack too. But let's start using this bag. I'll probably put the jackets in here. So this takes care of now the solo free dance. By the way, the first program I do today, this weekend, I'm actually gonna wear that outfit. So that's gonna save some room. So I'm gonna wear that and just cover it up with a jacket. So there we have, I also have down here, looks like knee pads. So I got my disco outfit done. That's 3 outfits done. Let's go, since we're on the topic, let's put Elvis, my Elvis outfit, which is lyrical pop, showcase category. There's a jacket involved. And again, this one, it does not wrinkle very easily. It's a synthetic leather. One fold that way, roll, and I'll put it in here. So we've done the Elvis jacket. Underneath, I wear a tank, oops, like this. I think they're probably, I can fold it once and just roll. Yeah, minimize the folds. This is the way to go for sure. Fold once, roll, and you have this kind of like this little ball here, cylinder. There we go. So we have the top and the jacket, and now we have the pants. So again, with the stirrups, big skates here. These will be these are stretch jeans basically that I use for the Elvis program. So what we'll probably do is, I'll probably just fold it once and then roll the rest of the way. And just to keep it clean again, I will stick it into a Ziploc bag. Minimize the folds here. Okay. So we've got Elvis done. So one of the routines is, the first routine that I'm going to be skating is a pattern dance. And I have an outfit. I'm just going to wear that on the ride over. So that's -1 outfit. So really I'm packing 4 outfits. And I would even do that on the plane too. If I were to get on a plane, I'd actually wear the first outfit. Okay, so this is going to be the Willy Wonka, or the Wonka program. There's a little scarf here. There's pants. So you guys know the drift. I'm gonna go ahead and roll. This seems like a fabric that could potentially use a little stretching, a little ironing. In which case I have this. It's a wrinkle releaser you can get from the supermarket. And basically spray it on and tug and pull and stretch and get rid of that wrinkle. Hang it up and it should be ready. So that's it. Spray it on dry, tug, pull, stretch, the wrinkle away. Okay, so that is the vest. Now in the same bag, there's room. I'm going to include the scarf here that goes with the outfit. This one is a very silky type material. It's not going to wrinkle very easily, so I'm just going to go ahead and do like so. Okay, and the pants. These are stretchy pants. This is the one he wore in the movie. The one that released in 2023 December. Wonka, or a summer pair I should say. And I've got the belt on there already. So, again, I might have to release some of these wrinkles here. Some of these are more susceptible to being wrinkled than others. Not traveling very far. I could throw it in a Ziploc, but I think in this case I'm just gonna leave it on top here. It's not gonna get dirty. So I've got the pants, I've got the shirt. Okay, the undershirt that goes under the vest for Wonka, it won't be seen at all. It's just a black shirt, t-shirt. So let's put that in the same bag. So we've got the vest, the t-shirt, it won't be seen, the scarf. We've got the coat, which is one of the bigger, bulkier things here. So what we can do is create another bag here probably for this. Or I can smush this down. Actually, I can fit this in here. So I've kind of rolled it minimally here. And I might be able to fit that right into here. Top that nicely. Okay. So, essentially there you have it. Now, I'm probably gonna pack. So this Wrinkle releaser, if I were traveling, I wouldn't pack this. I'd just buy it at the supermarket, traveling by air. But I'm traveling by car at this competition, so that goes there. I didn't have this little this device with the steam de-wrinkler, whatever you call it, Conair. And you put some water in here and plug it in, turn it on, and it quickly creates steam, which you spray at a close distance onto the fabric, and it instantly removes the wrinkle. So that's great too. Now that can be packed too. As you can see, I'm getting pretty full here, but I can fit everything in here. So that is essentially it, minus a few accessories. Obviously the hat, I'm going to have to, might have to have a different bag, another bag here. We've got some stuff from Wonka, the chocolate cane that's all blinged up, candy. So that could fit in probably in another bag here. Just trying to minimize what I have. So essentially, the bottom line here is wear one outfit, the first outfit you're going to compete in. I've done it many times. It does not get wrinkled on the airplane if you're careful. And then Ziploc bags, use backpacks, fold minimally, but more roll if you can more often. Maybe fold and roll. So minimal folds, but roll. We've got some de-wrinklers here and here. And yeah, so should be able to stay very compact, and I hope that was useful. If you can apply some of this to your competition preparation, that would be great. And if you want to see more videos like this, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.